Hey. Welcome back to Cooking It in the Kitchen with Trapizoid. Tonight, let's see, what are we cooking? Oh yeah, peanut butter and jelly. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, wow, you're really going all out tonight, aren't you? No, but that's okay. Love peanut butter and jelly, childhood classic. Grew up eating this thing practically every day. Yeah, why don't we go ahead and get started? We have my plate here. Look at this thing, a little plate. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the only way you should make peanut butter and jelly from now onward. You shouldn't make peanut butter and jelly any other way. All right, first ingredient. Kroger whole wheat bread. Look at that. Yeah, you want to get that private selection, 100% whole wheat, wide pan bread. Holy moly. For the peanut butter, you're going to want to pick up Kroger creamy peanut butter. No Jif, nothing else. Kroger creamy peanut butter. Jif, you know, Jif's a classic. It's too expensive, and this is just as good, you know? I can already envision what some of you people are typing in the comments. Those of you asking about,
what about the organic peanut butter? What about the real peanut butter? This isn't real peanut butter. The seed oils.
and typically, I would agree with you. But you're going to want to put down your Soylent really quickly, because what I'm about to say is going to shock you. Organic peanut butter tastes like wet cement. I am not trying to hook up my peanut butter to my 3D printed peanut butter bike mount just so that when I'm riding my bike, all of the oils and the peanut butter, whatever, is getting it mixed together. No. Why do I have to mix all of the peanut butter together whenever I buy it? It should already be mixed. If you are trying to eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich to be healthy, you need to seriously rethink a couple of things. You gotta re-strategize here, because this is not for health. This is for pure enjoyment. Also, for the two people who are typing in, what about the chunky peanut? What about the chunky peanut butter? I am not trying to eat poorly mixed wet concrete. Not happening. So yeah, all that to say, we're going to be using this stuff. This stuff is better in every shape and form imaginable. Get it through your head. Get it through your head. Excuse me. Welcome everybody to Fridge Check. This is my fridge. Yeah, for the next ingredient, grape jelly. So yeah, we're gonna be using grape jelly. If you use any other jelly, you're wrong. I'm sorry, you are wrong. The specific grape jelly we're going for is the HEB More Fruit Grapefruit Spread. Now, this wouldn't be my number one pick, unfortunately. My number one pick is somewhat of lost media as of today. Kind of got Mandela affected out of reality or something. I quite vividly remember using the Kroger brand organic jelly, but yeah, it's just gone. It's just gone. So yeah, we're gonna go with this stuff. This stuff's really good. Now we're here. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put together the friggin' sandwich, okay? A couple moments that are almost comparable to this moment are the moment from Infinity War when Thanos finally collects all the Infinity Stones and puts them into his gauntlet, and then the second moment being when Iron Man collects the Infinity Stones and puts them into his gauntlet. Those two moments almost fully encapsulate the feeling of putting a peanut butter jelly sandwich the way I do it and the right way to do it. Bear witness to this monumental moment, and let's just do it. So yeah, like I said, private selection, 100% whole wheat, wide pan bread. And what we're gonna do is you would 100% think that I was gonna get 2 slices of bread out. No, we're not gonna do 2 slices of bread. What do you think I am? A baby? What is my mom packing my 3rd grade lunch? Am I gonna open this and be like, oh, rats, I got a cold peanut butter and jelly sandwich? No, we're doing the triple decky. You see how all of the pieces of bread fairly line up like so? Just how they were in the package, how they were sliced. You're gonna wanna keep that alignment. So you're gonna fold it out like that, and then you're gonna move them back, and then you're gonna fold it out like this, and boom. we got a little layout right here. And it helps you visualize the different segments that you're going to put the peanut butter and jelly on. I'm almost out of peanut butter. That's why I have another one. I had a conversation with someone a couple years ago, and he was like, "Oh, Nick, what do you think the normal size peanut butter thing is?" And I was like, "This one, obviously. Do you think I'm poor?" I am poor. "But do you think I'm poor?" He was like, "Oh, no, fatty. The normal size is actually this." And no one's actually ever heard from him since then. I had nothing to do with it. It was just pure coincidence. We're gonna go ahead and take this peanut butter out, and then we're just gonna spread it on here. We're just spreading it on here like this. So, if you've ever made a peanut butter jelly sandwich before, this won't be new. You're just spreading the peanut butter. You don't have to get a college degree, even though most people with a college degree now couldn't even figure it out. Let's be honest with ourselves, especially those who go to Texas A&M. Anyway, you're just gonna spread it around like so. Boom. Look at that. Sorry if it's not framed right, I'm not paying attention. Now, as I wrap up the peanut butter segment of this video, you're probably wondering, Trapizoid, where does the jelly go? Wait a minute! Gosh. Anyway. Oh, he's gonna go ahead and grab the knife and scoop the jelly out with a knife. No. We're grabbing a spoon. We're grabbing a spoon, and we're gonna scoop it out like this. I did this in front of someone, and they thought I was insane. It's not insane. It's actually quite genius. With a knife, you're going in there. You're scooping jelly out. When you bring the knife out, the jelly falls off the knife, and you make a mess. And it's gross, and it's sticky. And like, what do you like? Get a spoon, scoop it out with the whatever the word is that describes the rounded part of the spoon. You now take it and you spread like so. So we're gonna go ahead and grab some more, because oftentimes, depending on the spoon you use, the first spoonful of jelly is not going to be enough. So yeah, let's just spread. So what you're gonna wanna do now is take the peanut butter and jelly and fold it with perfect alignment in mind, just how we did earlier, like so. Now, if you have half of a functioning brain, you'll be able to figure out what comes next. All the A&M students are now struggling, which is fine. Now we're gonna take a spoon and get more jelly and put it on the other side. Wow. Sorry, let me know, Aggies, if I'm moving too fast for you, okay? That's the last of the jelly. You can now take both your knife and your spoon. You don't want to lick your knife, because then you're gonna cut your tongue. So, don't do that. You don't want to lick your knife, so don't do. As you can see, we're on the final step. We're going to complete the sandwich. Now, despite what you might think, we're not actually done. Yes, we have made the peanut butter and jelly, the definitive, correct way to make a peanut butter and jelly, but we're not done yet. For show of hands, who knows about Batman? I know about Batman. What is Batman without Robin? Now, in this situation, we can pretend that the peanut butter and jelly sandwich is Batman, and Robin would be chocolate milk. So yeah, get any milk, preferably whole milk, and we're gonna get a glass. You wanna get a good sized glass. You don't want a small glass of milk. You want a big chunker. You want a big glass for your chocolate milk. So we're gonna go ahead and pour. If you're not an absolute idiot, you'll know how to pour milk into a glass. Ha, Aggies, if you're... And boom. It's a good amount. You don't want it to be too high. You don't want it to be at the brim, because if it's at the brim, then you're gonna spill. That's just how it is, because I know you with your shaky hands, you know, you're gonna spill. So we're gonna go ahead and get our HEB chocolate syrup, and we're gonna go ahead and open this John, and we're gonna pour it in. Okay, that's not gonna be enough. That's not gonna be enough. I need to go get another one. Are you? Okay, I need to get. I need to get. It's not even. Come on, please. Then you're gonna want to put a decent amount of chocolate syrup in. We're gonna go ahead and want to get a fairly large spoon, not a knife, not enough surface area to really stir the milk. And we're gonna put it in there. I like my chocolate milk how I like, Anyway, that's about good, right? Like that. Give it the taste test. Real chocolatey. Now, reality can be whatever I want. That's like a reference, anyway. Yeah, the sandwich is done. Look at that. Triple decker. So yeah, we're gonna take a bite. It's gonna be great. I just know it's gonna be great. Words can't even describe how good this sandwich is. I'm gonna go finish the sandwich now.
All right, I figured to celebrate this monumentous occasion, I'd come outside and enjoy this nice evening and eat the sandwich. Is it really a nice evening? No, but the idea of eating this sandwich outside was too good of an idea to pass up, so I'm gonna do it. I'm going back inside. But yeah, pretty good sandwich. Again, this is the correct way to make a peanut butter jelly sandwich. If you make it any other way, you're wrong. I mean, like, you can do it, but you're just wrong. So, just throwing that out there. Yeah. On a real note though, gotta love the peanut butter jelly sandwich. This sandwich has gotten me through many a time, many a struggle, because a sandwich is there at the end of the day. And also a beer. I'm really just saying stuff at this point, so thank you guys for watching the video. I appreciate it. If you could do me a favor, like the video and subscribe, that'd be awesome. And yeah, have a good night. And that's the video. And my sandwich is falling apart, just like I said it would earlier.